Today, I want to introduce you to something very special. It's called Chi Men, the Gates of Destiny. They call it a game, but in truth, it's a living decision space. Chi Men comes from ancient Chinese strategic metaphysics. It was used by emperors, generals, and advisors not to predict fate, but to see the field clearly. To see, where am I right now? What forces are active? Which direction opens and which drains energy? What I've done is a translation of this ancient system into a transformational game that works for modern life. People come to the game with very different questions: business, direction, visibility, money, relationships, or simply that feeling of, I'm doing a lot, but I'm not fully aligned. And any goal is a good goal as long as it's alive for you. Hear how the game works. You come with a question that truly matters, something you've been circling for a while. We open a field, even online, even across different cities or different countries, and you start making choices. You don't choose randomly. You choose what's on your soul, what responds to you. Cards, images, numbers, symbols, and something very interesting happens. Images go straight into the subconscious. They don't argue. They don't persuade. They reorganize you. That's why people often feel physical reactions during the game: goosebumps, trembling, warmth, a sudden clarity in the body. This is not imagination. It's resonance. Numbers come next. They give structure. They show position, sequence, timing. Together, images and numbers do one essential thing. They show you where you are standing inside your own life. Not where you should be, not where you wish you were, where you actually are. And once that becomes clear, a path appears. People don't leave the game inspired in a vague way. They leave with something much more valuable, a clear path. They see what needs to be activated, what needs to be released, and what has been quietly waiting for them all along. After one of the games, Antonina said something that stayed with me. She said, this wasn't just insight, it was a roadmap. She described how every card choice was accompanied by physical resonance, as if the body itself was confirming the truth. That's the essence of the game. I'm here to walk with you through symbols, images, and structure until you recognize yourself